Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your application in Android if you download from Play Store. So first of all, you're going to need to download one application is known as app backup, as you can see here. And so let's navigate to Play Store and search for that app. Okay, that's app backup. So open app backup easy and fast by Colifer Lab. After opening and uninstall the app, you just need to open it. After open it, just choose which app you want to backup. For example, let me try and backup the same application. Okay, just give it backup and install. As you can see here, the app is saved in IBU folder, so let's navigate to that folder. Let's search for the IBU folder. Okay, this is the IBU folder, and out here you can see our backup apps, so you can just reinstall them from here without the need to download them once again. And thank you. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and the most important of all, please click the icon bell. Thank you.